The winter holiday season is here, awesome, and along with it, National Weather Service forecasters are predicting a dangerous nationwide deep freeze. Less awesome. Today through Saturday, bitter cold, biting wind chills, and storms are projected to ravage most of the US. Winter-related weather warnings, advisories, and watches are in effect in all but 5 states. Arctic air is set to dip down as far south as Florida and Texas in a phenomenon known as a polar vortex, where the usual circular air currents break down. And fun fact, research suggests climate change may be making polar vortexes more intense and more frequent. Because of the polar vortex, thermometers will plummet into the negatives and single digits for much of the country, and the wind will make it feel even colder than that. In northern Texas, wind chills are forecast to fall below -20 degrees Fahrenheit. Farther north in the Plain states, things could drop past -50, which the Weather Service warns can cause frostbite in less than 5 minutes. Near the Great Lakes and farther east, heavy snowfall and fierce gusts are likely to bring blizzard conditions. Short-lived but dangerous snow squalls are also possible. And forecasters are predicting sleet and heavy rains for the Pacific Northwest and Mid-Atlantic, which could rapidly freeze on roads into slick ice. Storms and rapid temperature drops have already begun in Mountain West states. In less than 15 minutes, Dillon, Montana went from about 30 degrees Fahrenheit to below 0, and drivers found themselves stranded in whiteout conditions. In Cheyenne, temperatures fell a record 40 degrees in 30 minutes. Taken all together, the cold, ice, snow, and wind pose a big risk to people and infrastructure. Past polar vortexes have caused mass power outages, like the deadly February 2021 freeze in Texas that left millions without electricity. Then there's holiday travel. Estimates say more than 109 million people had plans to travel via road or air between December 23rd and January 2nd. However, many local weather offices are warning people to reconsider and stay home instead. Gizmodo recommends that you keep tabs on conditions near you and follow all official guidelines. If a highway is closed, don't try and drive on it. If you do still choose to drive, be ready to keep warm in your car if necessary, be prepared for the possibility of power outages, and double-check flight statuses before heading to the airport. And most importantly, stay safe and happy holidays. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out other Gizmodo videos here on YouTube.